Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Dalton Fowles, MasterCard Country Manager for Jamaica, announced plans for onboarding 50,000 Jamaican micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises to its digital payment solutions, and in the process bringing them into the formal economy. According to Fowles, Jamaica's Ministry of Industry and Investment estimates there are 425,000 small businesses across Jamaica. However, of that amount, only 14,000 SMEs are accounted for on the local tax register. A small business in the Jamaican context is any entity with fewer than 5 employees which earns less than 15 million in revenue. Medium-sized enterprises, on the other hand, have between 5 and 10 employees while generating between 15 million and a maximum threshold of $75 million. MasterCard's strategic push is informed by a study it commissioned between March and April of 2025, which indicated that 91% of SMEs that accept digital payment say it has contributed to significant growth of their businesses, adding that it saves time and money. Even businesses that don't accept digital payments have expressed an interest in implementing the right payment solutions soon. The Shipping Association of Jamaica has launched a suite of consultancy services to help members of the micro, small, and medium-sized enterprise. The Shipping Association, which has more than 86 years experience in financial management and a team with over 50 years combined experience in expertise in payroll, accounting, bookkeeping, cash flow forecasting, and auditing, is now offering these services to start-up businesses. Fiona Hall, finance manager of the Shipping Association, said this expansion is being driven by the demand for reliable and affordable services in these areas by members of the MSME sector. For the trading period ending October 15, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. We had Wigton Energy Limited with 1,678,756 units, which represented 31.39% of market sales. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 1,400,772 units, which represented 26.19% of market sales. Radio Jamaica Limited with 437,785 units, represented 8.18% of market sales. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On October 15, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $14.65 million purchased and US $48.97 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.99 per dollar, selling the US at $161.91 and buying the US at $159.92. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $3.65 per transaction, with selling at $116.69 and buying at $113.04. The British pound yielded Forex traders $8.47 in profits, with selling at $218.03 and buying at $209.56. For our credit report tip of the day, take action today. Open your credit report, face the numbers, and take control of your financial story. Rebuilding credit and getting out from debt isn't just about fixing your past. It's about creating a stronger, wealth-focused future. Every call you make to negotiate a payment, every extra dollar you apply toward a balance, and every time you choose progress over procrastination, you're building momentum toward financial freedom. The path may feel uphill, But remember, confidence grows with every action, and consistency creates results. In our funded and focused feature, moving from financial recovery to being funded and focused begins with one thing: action. Value doesn't flow towards hesitation, it flows towards momentum. Sit down today and set 3 clear income goals for the next 90 days. Update your professional profile or business page to reflect real results you deliver. Reach out to one person in your network who can connect you to opportunity. For professional women over the age of 35 and beyond, these are not just tasks, they're turning points. Every time you act on your value, you create new financial flow. Your experience, your network, your creativity, all of it gains traction when you move, because money doesn't chase potential, it follows proof. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.